the morning's more reasons to wake. The fire escape is calling. Find you out there sitting in the shade of no plans to be made, and I'm all in. Up in the gutter, some finches made a nest, and they've seen us as a threat from the beginning. But their warnings mix in with the sound of ice cream trucks and hounds and low planes. Oh, life I've been working towards. I change my mind. I don't want you anymore. All I need is a slow and easy day. Slow and easy day. Slow and easy day. Slow and easy day. Does anyone get the life that they deserve? The sentence they've been served, or the gift? And is anybody really who they claim? And all the angels in my middle name all are falling.